Okay, so today I'm just gonna be making a video on how to use the Java UI. So here we have Minecraft Java Edition. This is Minecraft Realms. I don't care about Realms, that just wastes, that's a money waster. This is the language button here to change your language. You can change it to Pirate Speak. So you can change it to basically anything you want. Let's change it back to English. I'm going to show you how to add a server. Basically, if your friend hosts a multiplayer world, then you'll see it like down here. It's gonna be down here, and you can just press it to join. But if you can't, you can also use a direct connection and type in the IP address with the port behind it. But you can add a server, then you type in the server address. Then once you type in the server address, you just press done, and there it is. But I already have Hypixel, so I don't need it anymore. I'm just gonna delete it because I already have Hypixel up here. Now I'm gonna show you how to play single player worlds. I'm also gonna show you how to use the create world screen. So basically, if you want to create a new world, then you will just start off in this screen where it says game. You can change your mode, and you can change the difficulty. You can change if there's allow commands or not. Then you can press create new world, or you can go here and you can press world type default, super flat, large bound, big one. You can just like cycle through. And then here's the space where you type the seed, and you can just type the seed like basically whatever you want. Here is the last one. It's like the technical stuff. You can enable data packs. You can also enable experiments, and then you can do game rules. Keep inventory. You can also change these by doing /game rule. So yeah, for this one you can just /game rule, keep inventory true. And yeah, there's a lot of other things that you can change. Yeah, that's how you create a new world. Actually, fun fact, for the super flat you can customize it. You can use presets, or you can just like customize your own preset. Like let's say you can change the biome. You can also add a layer of diamond blocks, and if you press use preset, then it'll show you your preset. So if you play worlds, like press the world you want to play and press play selected world, then just puts you into the world. I'm working on a spaceship here, so don't ask me why I have 99 sticks. It's just I just have it for fun. If you want to like host to LAN, then you can just press escape, and there'll be open to LAN. And you can change the whatever, and yeah. Then if you press start LAN world, then it starts it. It tells you which port it's on. Now I'm going to show you about everything, just the settings menu, I guess. So I'm using a mod called Sodium, so that kind of changes stuff up. If you go in video settings, you can change your render distance. I have Sodium, which is a performance boosting mod, and it changes this a lot. So if you have vanilla Minecraft with no mods, then it's gonna look a lot different. It's gonna look more like this instead of this. So I'm gonna show you some settings that will make you better at Minecraft. So basically, some settings to make you better at Minecraft. First, you want your FOV at 90. The default is, I think it's 70, right? So you're playing with this, right? It's kind of hard to see your surrounding. You want to change your FOV to something like 90. I mean, just your personal preference, but most people use 90. Like, basically everyone uses 90. Next thing, you want to change controls, do keybinds. You can change your keybinds to whatever you want. Instead of having the default keybinds like 9, I changed it so they're all easier to reach. Because if you're going hotkey really fast, you don't want to reach all the way over and press 9. That's going to be really, really slow. I changed my hotkeys so they're way easier to reach. Just do these like as your personal preference. You don't have to follow mine. Follow your personal preference. One of the most important settings is mouse settings. You always want to like change your sensitivity to be like your personal preference. The default sensitivity is 100%, but I usually have it lower at like 50 or something because 100 is kind of like really fast. Because if you try to aim like if I'm trying to hit this button, if you're trying to aim with 100 sensitivity, your aim is gonna be really shaky. But with 50 sensitivity, like I have right now, it's much easier to aim at that button. So then your aim is gonna be less shaky. Go to accessibility settings and turn narrator off, because like that's just, I mean, I guess it's just your personal preference, but it's like just super annoying. Turn damage tilt off, because damage tilt, it's basically just how much your screen shakes when you take damage. You want to turn this off because in PvP, it can be really annoying. You also want to turn FOV effects off, because if you turn it on like this, then it kind of messes up your aim. If you like sprint and like do that, it kind of messes up your aim. So you want to turn FOV effects to 0. Also, turn darkness pulsing off, because with darkness pulsing at the max, then darkness pulses. If you turn it off, then it's like way easier to see. Out of all of these, I bet the most important settings are probably mouse settings. If you have your sensitivity really high, it's gonna be really hard to aim. Actually, I lied. The most important setting is this, auto jump. Like if you have this on, literally like, what is wrong with you? Auto jump is just messes everything up. If you have auto jump on, like you can't do parkour, everything becomes so hard. You're just gonna ruin your entire Minecraft. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I guess I'll see you next time.